2016 dash install in my 2004 F250. If you're know anything about them, you'll know that a 08 to 10 dash and your 11 to 16 dash is actually the Havoc is actually it comes out in the center, and that's where where it meets the dash. So in order to achieve that in my 2004, I'm cutting my box. You can see I've already started, but I wanted to get a little bit on video. And I've seen a couple other installs. This is an install that I've been collecting parts since they first came out with that dash, because I wanted to do the 08 to 10, but when they came out with that I think it was in 2013 when they did the hump dash, as I call it, with the navigation, the big 8-inch screen, I think it is. I was like, man, I want that dash. So ever since then, I've been collecting my parts to do this, and seeing how I'm doing a Cummins swap now, because the motor blew up that I bought from Ford and put 27,000 miles on it, and it fucking blew up. Seeing how my truck's down, I'm waiting on some parts for the Cummins to finish that. I figure, well, hell, since I've got most of these parts, I might as well just go ahead and do it all now while it's sitting. Right now, I'm just getting, doing the dash stuff while I'm waiting on these parts, and I've already started getting into the wiring a little bit, but I wanted to get the Havoc stuff put in so that way I know exactly where I want my wire to be ran. Yeah. Seems a little crazy, but hey, I'm gonna make this work. There it is. Cut it back out. I don't think there's really not much going back now. Yeah, a little rough, but nothing that I can't fix up with a little plastic work, and so I've already got those pieces to make how I'm going to do it, because it's pretty much going to be over here, so I'm definitely going to be moving this. I got plenty of room behind this dash, to be honest, just from when I was putting the dash in and out. There's plenty of room behind this dash for whatever the hell I wanted, really. But yeah, it's going to be over here, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to move that. Move that. Yeah.